What's up guys, it's me Jimmy a Geek. So now I can easily schedule the power on and off on in my Huawei Note 10 EMUI. Go to the setting, go to the smart assistants, go to the accessibility. Okay, I can easily schedule, the turn on and turn off. Let me see where it went. Yeah, here we go. I just got lost. I just got distracted. Again, I need to show you. Go to setting, go to the smart assistant, go to schedule power on and off. I can easily turn and off, the schedule power and off, when the phone will turn on, when the phone will off. This is really very useful. It was me, Jim Egg. Subscribe and bye.